Hello students, welcome to the 23rd session of Business Statistics. In this session, we'll be discussing about one more illustration which is related to the probable value of x and y based on the regression equations. This is a different problem. This is called as the verbal problem. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ವೈ ಬಾರ್ ಅರಿಥ್ಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ವರ್ಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವುದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಯಾವುದು ವೈ ಬಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಲುಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ವೈಫ್ಸ್ when the husband's age is 33 years by using the regression line. So age of wife and age of husbands ಎರಡು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ವೈಫ್ ಆಸ್ ವೈ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಆಗ ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಅರಿಥ್ಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್. So x bar is 25 now. You can make a note of it. So second row, that is average age of wives. That is average age of wives ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ವೈಫ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ y bar is equal to 22 years. And the standard deviation of age of husbands, that is standard deviation of x, right? So standard deviation of x is 4 years. And in the same way, standard deviation of y, that is standard deviation of age of wife, is 5 years. And the correlation coefficient between those two variables, that is 0.80. Now let us look into the calculation part. So ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ವೈ ಮತ್ತು ವೈ ಆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎರಡೂ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ವೈ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಎರಡೂ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ನೀವು ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದರೆ in this problem you are required to find out only the value of y based on the value of x. That is husband's age na mention ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So when husband's age is 33 years, what will be the value of or the age of the wife? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು y value, right, based on the value of x. So the equation that we should calculate is y on x. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ವೈ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಬಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ y based on the value of x, right? So now let us look into the calculation of y on x equation, that is y minus y bar is equal to r into standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x multiplied by x minus x bar. When we substitute the given values into the equation, it will be y minus 22, which is equal to 0.80, that is the value of r. Standard deviation of y is 5 divided by standard deviation of x, that is 4, multiplied by x minus 25. So when we solve the equation, then the final equation will be y is equal to x minus 3. So ಈ equationಗೆ x value substitute ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದರೆ you will be getting the value of y. So when husband's age is 33 years, that is given in the problem, right? So when husband's age is 33 years, the probable value of y, that is the age of wife, will be, that is y is equal to x minus 3. So y is equal to 33 minus 3. So the age of wife is 30 years when the age of husband is 33 years. So this is the analysis. I hope you understood the previous problem, that is illustration number 6, where we have to find out the value of y when the x value is given. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದರ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ವೈ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ನ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಶಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ which is related to the calculation, similar calculation. From the following information, find out two regression coefficients when the standard deviation of x is 3, standard deviation of y is 6 and the correlation coefficient is 0.8. So two regression coefficient ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, one is bxy and the other one is byx. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ರಿಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ದ ರಿಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ bxy for x on y and byx for y on x equation. Based on this, the below formula has to be used. ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ correlation coefficient and the standard deviation. Based on these two values, we can find out bxy and byx based on the following formula, that is bxy is equal to r into standard deviation of x divided by standard deviation of y and byx is equal to r into standard deviation of x divided by standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x. So bxy is equal to 0.80, that is r, multiplied by 3 by 6. So when we simplify the problem, the bxy, that is coefficient of regression of x on y, is equal to 0.40 and byx is equal to, so there is a little change, that is byx is equal to 0.80 into 6 divided by 3. So by simplifying the equation, byx is equal to 1.6. Okay, so the coefficient of regression based on y on x is 1.6. So the seventh problem is related to the calculation of regression coefficient when the standard deviation and correlation coefficients are given. Now in this eighth problem, you should calculate the standard deviation of y series and also the value of regression coefficient of y on x based on the given value. So the given values are standard deviation of x is 15, regression coefficient of x on y is 1.2 and the correlation coefficient is 0.8. So from the given details we can see that the first thing that we have to do is to calculate the value of standard deviation of y, because to calculate the regression coefficient of y on x, we need the standard deviation of y, right? So first we have to calculate the standard deviation of y based on the regression coefficient of x on y. Then we have to calculate the y on x coefficient. Let us look into the calculation. When we substitute the value into x on y equation, already bxy value is given, right? That is 1.5, that is equal to 0.80, that is the value of r, multiplied by 15, that is standard deviation of x is 15 and standard deviation of y is not given. We have to calculate standard deviation of y, right? So when we simplify that, 1.2 is equal to 12 divided by standard deviation of y. So 12 is obtained by multiplying 0.80 and 15 here. Okay. Now when we cross multiply, I hope you know the procedure of cross multiplication. When we cross multiply, uh, the value will be like this, that is standard deviation of y into 1.2 is equal to 12. And again, when we simplify this, standard deviation of y is equal to 12 divided by the multiplication value in the left hand side will come to the denominator when it comes to the right hand side. So 12 divided by 1.2, that is standard deviation of y is equal to 10. So now we have obtained the value of standard deviation of y. Now we can easily calculate the coefficient of byx by substituting the standard deviation value of y. Now by substituting the given value, that is standard given value and standard deviation of y, that is equal to 10, into the below formula, that is byx is equal to r into standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x. Then byx is equal to 0.80 into 10 divided by 15, that is 8 divided by 15, that is byx is equal to 0.53. So the value of byx coefficient, that is the regression coefficient of y on x, is 0.53. Thank you. So all these problems, that is the calculation of probable values of x and y, the calculation of standard deviation, all these problems will be given for 5 marks or 10 marks questions in a combination. Uh, this is very simple if we understand the core concept of regression lines, regression coefficient, and the problem which is related to them. Thank you.